just wanna fly away, but it's not my time to fly today. In the color sphere of sunshine reflected in my own tears, I will paint my dreams the color of butterfly wings. I will thrust forth my imaginations, causing them to flutter in my mind, bringing life to my genius, thus feeding my soul into contentment and leaving my foes in agreement that when I am weak, I am strong. It is true that for the future we will all at times long, but we must learn to abound in the sweet tranquility of now, of today. For I may be but a babe, but I know my hope is not in tomorrow. For in tomorrow there is no promise. My present is my gift. Today is my miracle. Tomorrow is just a myth. Today is my miracle. My present is my gift. I am like a treasure unhatched, cloaked in an armor without dent or crack, filled with potential yet untapped. I am not a butterfly. I am a caterpillar. What a waste would it be to spend my time searching for lost wings? I am a caterpillar, seemingly frail and maybe without common appeal, but well built and sturdy for the crossing, for the journey, for the steps that are yet ahead. I am not free to fly, but bound am I with just enough room to grow. I am a caterpillar. It is not my lot to stay here, and maybe I'll just spend the day here, but for the right now, for the moment, I am okay here. Oh, when the caterpillars go marching in to their destiny, what a day will that be? Instead of staring in mirrors asking questions like, where is the rest of me? It is not about what I can be. It is about offering up today the very best of me, about giving now a chance. Everybody always wants to be a butterfly and forgets the steps it takes to get there. Always trying to rush the process, but you gotta crawl before you walk. Jibber jabber before you talk, lay low before you fly high, and caterpillar before you butterfly. To everything under the sun there is a time and a season. A butterfly is not born one, but must become one, and maturity is made manifest in knowing that I was not born with wings for a reason. I was come into this world lacking nothing. Everything that I need already exists within me, so you can be so hyped to fly high, but if you're not careful, your feet can still swing low. So right now, there is no need for any unnecessary appendage to suspend me, because a blessing before its time can be like a noose around your destiny. You will fear heights if you take off before you're ready. So there's no shame in walking it out, keeping your feet planted until your tread is steady. Wings or no wings, I will at least leave my footprint on this life. I will close my eyes to the limitations of my reality and watch my dreams take flight. And I, having learned to stand, will henceforth admonish my heart to embrace the process, to endure with patience, fighting the desire to skip ahead to the end, neglecting not the fullness of any of life's stages, understanding now is not my time to fly, but rather to be still and know, with one foot in front of the other, to proceed, to walk it out, to grow. Because I still have got a ways to go. So no, I am no butterfly. Not yet. But baby, don't you fret for me. This is not a cry for sympathy. This is a confession. A tribute perhaps to the lesson that I am just where I'm supposed to be. Right on course and not a moment behind. Right on schedule. Right on time. I am still building up my endurance, still got some hills, mine to climb. So first things first, we must all make our rounds. God promised to order our steps, so this lets me know I was supposed to spend some time on the ground. So for now, I will paint my dreams the color of butterfly wings and watch them soar. These are the confessions of a caterpillar. Grounded for now, but ever reaching for more, yet without wings, but flyer than most. I am a caterpillar, maybe not a butterfly, but almost. my time.